Jogo ma uso math e dukni e kaunti ma Machakos omisie mondo lure kod chike ka ok kamano tibiro loro bachegi. Jolup Commissioner ma Athi River Charles Wambugu owacho ni moko kuom weg dukni go olokore kilepe maonge lesen makare. Wambugu omedo ni gisechako apedha ma ndalo 90 ka gitudore kod obila kod KRA mar mako johala madhi tok chik. Omedo ni moko kuom johala go uso math mabandia.
Let us make sure that we adhere to the liquor licensing conditions and timelines, so that if you have the license for liquor, for bar and restaurant, we know its requirements. If you're supposed to open your premise or premises at 5 p.m., do that, close at the right time. We know there are some business owners who have the tendency of converting their licenses into bars. And that is, of course, against the public health provisions, because when you have been licensed to sell for takeaway, you just do that. You don't start creating, room for people to come and drink, referrers to come and buy and drink and sit. So we want to warn those in those kinds of businesses to desist from doing that.